Google has released the MCP Toolbox for databases, a fully open source tool that makes it incredibly easy to connect AI agents to relational databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL. Part of the broader GenAI Toolbox initiative, this release allows developers to integrate database tools into their agents in under 10 lines of Python without handling complex connection logic or authentication manually. It supports secure connection pooling, environment-based authentication, and follows the Model Context Protocol (MCP), enabling structured and safe interactions between large language models and SQL databases. This toolbox is designed for production-ready use cases ranging from business intelligence agents to automated reporting systems and ensures that queries are schema-aware, validated, and safe. With features like auto-generated tool interfaces, SQL injection protection, and seamless compatibility with orchestration frameworks like LangChain, Google's MCP Toolbox significantly lowers the barrier to deploying intelligent agents that can interact directly with enterprise data. Best of all, it's 100% open source and ready for extension across more database platforms.